Let me scroll. Scrolling. Unadulterated scrolling. Okay, one sec. Okay, I have it here. Excuse me. Sorry. Does burping bother you? I really wonder why some people like it so much. Like, what happened in their life for them to like it? Like, what about it excites you? Actually, don't answer that question. Okay, anyway. Let's go to the Reddit. What was the last one? I'm not logged in here. You have a burping compilation? Oh, I do. How many views does it have now? It's Katchii burp. What the fuck? What is that? 31,000 views. Favorite burps? Oh my god. Wait. Maybe I shouldn't be like giving attention to this, but I just find it so interesting. Favorite burps? There's like all of them. YouTubers. Sorry, I keep burping, by the way. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. It's just timestamps of the burps. Okay. Okay, that's enough of that. Damn, I didn't know it was that much. That's crazy. Thank you, I guess. Alright, so what was the last post?